Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make, well, first of all, I got my friend Pat here from Laguna Beach.
Hi.
He's out in Palm Springs. Say hi to my
Hi.
Watkins Way single fan.
Hi, kids.
So it's Pat's recipe of a Hawaiian style rum cake. It's macadamia nuts, mango rum, and coconut. Pat tried to teach me about an hour ago the ingredients, so I'm going to see if I remember them. So
Okay, you start where? Let's see if you remember. Where do you want to start? Do you remember?
Okay, let's start with a flour.
So should we spray first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's spray the pan
All right.
and let the audience see what we're doing.
Yep.
Now let's add some coconut in the bottom of the
Okay.
pan.
And then how much of this do we add?
I just sprinkle a little bit, just all the way around. All right.
Say when.
That's good.
Okay.
And then add some macadamia nuts.
Same thing.
Same thing, just perfect.
There you go.
All right, now let's get our batter. So let's use a full package of yellow cake mix.
That's going in here.
That goes right in
Okay.
here. And then the next thing is vanilla pudding mix. Let's add we're gonna add half of that because if you add all of it,
Okay.
the batter's too thick.
You did study.
Yeah, I did study.
About half of that?
Yeah. Okay, now let's do about a tablespoon of baking powder.
Okay. That would be this guy here?
That's it right there.
Well, you really did. You're impressive.
Oh yeah, well,
Burning the midnight oil, were you?
Now we're gonna use 2 cups of sugar.
Okay. That'd be these guys right here.
Yeah, that'd be those guys. And then we're gonna use 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and that'd be right there.
Okay. How am I doing, Coach?
You're doing great.
Okay, thanks.
You're doing good. How am I doing?
You're doing really impressive.
I've never made a rum cake before.
Well, so far so good.
And let's put in 4 eggs. We got the 4 eggs right there.
Here we go.
And then let's do just a dash here.
A dash?
A dash.
Now, is a dash a...
I know dashes.
Okay, that looks like
I
a
got-
dash, I mean, but is that a metric measurement?
It is.
Okay.
And then we're going to use a cup of mango rum. And we're also going to use mango rum.
Oh, it goes in there.
Yeah, don't drink it.
Okay,
no.
sorry.
All right. So let's just blend everything together and
All right.
we're ready to go.
Do you have a mask or anything, or?
I'm going to preheat the oven to
Okay.
325, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. All right, Pat, that looks pretty good. I think we got it mixed up. Let's
Okay.
go ahead and add it to the Bundt Pan. Yeah, okay,
Okay, it's,
it's your recipe.
not sure about the hydrodynamics of this. There you go.
Here, let me turn it.
That's
I'm
good.
pretty good at
Look at that.
doing stuff like
Human lazy Susan.
this. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm a human lazy Susan.
Or lazy human Susan. There you go. All right, Coach, you want to
Yep.
do me the honors?
Yeah. By the way, we got it on camera so that people can
Right.
see me scraping this out. They're going like, he has no clue what he's doing. And they're right.
It would have been better if we'd have got a right-handed bowl instead of a left-handed.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, Pat, we got our batter ready. So let's put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 325. So why don't you go ahead and put it in the oven.
I'm on it.
Put it on the center rack.
Appreciate the assist.
Yeah.
And there you go.
There we go.
Excellent. Okay, we got that done. Hey, Gary, how about we start the glaze now, since we've got a little bit of time.
Let me see if I remember what you told me how to make the
Right,
glaze.
right.
We're going to use half a cup of water,
Okay.
a stick of butter,
Okay.
and a cup of sugar,
Okay.
and then we're going to just cook that.
Okay, so-
let me turn this on, and let's cook it at 350.
Okay, you got it.
So add your water.
Say when? When? All of it?
All of it goes in.
Okay. Does that have a cup?
Add your sugar.
Okay, we got the sugar.
This is your recipe. I'm just trying to remember what you told
So
me.
far, so good. I mean,
Well, when it comes to rum,
hey, wasn't that a whole bottle when we started?
well, yeah, I wanted to make sure it was mango rum.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to taste of it a little bit.
Quality control.
Quality control.
There we go.
All right, now add a stick of butter in there.
Okay.
And what you told me earlier, you said don't add the rum while it's cooking.
Why? Do you remember why?
Yeah, because it boils away, it takes away all the alcohol.
Exactly.
And we want to get drunk when we eat the
Exactly.
rum, right?
It defeats the purpose.
So we're going to make this, and then we're going to set it aside, let it cool down. Then we're going to add a cup of the mango rum
Okay.
for our mango rum cake.
You did study.
Maui style. Okay, Pat, cake's out of the oven. Hopefully we didn't screw this thing up. Can you get that,
I'm
lift that off of
yeah,
it?
it's a little bit tricky, but I think we got it.
Well, it looks pretty good.
Wow.
All right.
Oh, here, can you move it in a little bit?
Yep. Slide it in. You got to.
There you go. You get this out of the way.
You know what I like to do
Huh.
is we got the glaze almost done.
Yep.
And what I do is I add the rum after the glaze is cooled down. That way you get more of a rum taste.
Okay.
And I had probably 3/4 cup of rum in there. And let's just stir it up a little bit. And then can you get that knife and just punch some holes?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Just random?
Yeah, just random holes. That way it soaks up
Oh, I see what you're doing.
the glaze. And then let's slide this, when you get that done, let's slide this over here. All right, let's just put
Yeah, man.
our glaze on here. Any way works, it doesn't matter. Your spoon's bigger than mine. How come?
No matter what I say right now, it's not going to be appropriate, so we'll just keep rolling.
No, it probably wouldn't be. Anyway, well, we drank a little bit of rum
Yeah,
when I
well,
was making this. So,
Right.
You know, so when you do that, you might say
Yes.
a few things that
There we go.
you normally wouldn't say.
So Gary, will this change color, the glaze? Or it'll stay kind of clear?
It'll stay clear.
Okay.
So anyway, I think that's good enough. Now we'll just let this rest a little bit, and then let's slice into it. And
Okay.
Okay, Pat, let's plate it. We got our
Okay.
cake out. We put the glaze on.
Want me to do the honors?
Yeah, you do the honors. Just cut into
You
it.
trust me?
Well, no, not really, but
There you go. Come on.
I will.
There we go.
All right.
That smells so good.
It does smell good, doesn't it?
Too bad we don't smell vision.
Well, we might someday.
Someday.
All right.
Oh, it's warm. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Oh, that looks good.
All right. Let's do another one. Well, actually, here.
Well, let's just take a bite.
Let's just do that.
Let me go first.
All right, chef. My turn?
Really good. So good.
Oh,
Isn't that good?
you done good. You get an attaboy.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That's our rum cake, Hawaiian style with the coconut and the mango rum. Please subscribe. We got a video that comes out every other Saturday. Need subscribers. Pat, you did a really good job.
Oh, thank you.
You got great recipes.
What about for the videographer? Whoa.
So good.
So good.
All right. See you
Score.
later. Take care. Bye.
Thanks, guys.